this here, this three of this here are the upper looper, lower looper, and this is for the cover stitch.
And upper here, lower.
Yes.
Is that correct? Okay.
Yes, upper, lower, and
Cover.
for cover stitch, and these two are for the machine.
The needles?
The needles.
Gotcha.
The needles. So all this here, all the yellow and the green and the red and
Purple.
the blue goes
Oh,
here.
blue, okay.
All the here, the blue, the green, and those are for the two needles. And this is comes down here, and also it does here the air threading.
Air threading.
Okay. So we're going to start. I'm going to put the thread here and here. Those will be for the needles.
Needles, okay.
And I'm doing navy blue thread for all of them. So the purple thread will be under and the navy blue thread will be on the top.
Okay.
So I start, be careful. I start with the blue.
Okay.
So I am going to, you turn on the machine. It comes on.
Thank goodness.
And it says made to create. All the Bernina said made to create.
Yep.
So I have here, it came in. And what do? The first thing I do, I choose what I want to stitch. So this was in like a roll hem. So I'm just going to say no. And here I have overlock, cover stitch, and combination combo. Okay. So what would you like to see first?
Let's do the overlock. Overlock.
Overlock? Okay. We'll do the overlock. There is a lot of things to have from
Choices.
choices, and then you pick up what you want to see.
You want to do a 3-thread? Let's do
I prefer to do the 4th thread first.
4 thread? Okay.
Yeah.
So we have to
Because
put
I have-
another
yeah.
needle. Let's just do this one, right?
Okay. So what it tells you in here, it tells you lift foot up. We have it up.
Up.
Continue. No, you can this.
Oh, gotcha. Unthreading, no unthreading required, but we're not threading.
Good.
Attach presser foot. Now, how many presser feet? Does it just come with one?
2.
2, okay. And then
So
adjust.
it says C11,
Okay.
which is here,
Here.
C11. And what it shows you here, if you don't know, we'll put the camera on. You have it up here. It shows you it's up.
Oh. So it shows you everything is. It's on 4, okay. And that's what's recommended.
Close it.
And then that's just telling you it's the pressure.
Now it tells you right needle and left needle.
Left needle.
You can start with that. So you have right needle and left needle. So you have here to take off any of this. And you see, to me, I have the right needle already because you see the left needle is here. So I'm going to open this here. And I'm going to put a left needle. The flag in the back of the needle. And I put the foot down so I can
Have a little more room.
more room, yes. Here, now you see the hole is covered.
Right.
All I have to do is to make sure that the needle is out. When you take any needle out, you turn the screw again to close it.
Close it.
So you don't lose it.
Gotcha.
Because they
You
are
don't
very
lose the
small.
screw. Yeah.
Yes.
The vibration.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So continue.
activate the knife, which it looks like it's already up. Adjust the cutting width.
Okay. Here is the cutting width.
Okay.
It tells you in what number.
6. So we should move that up.
Exactly.
Okay. This is what's so nice. It tells you
Exactly.
everything.
You don't have to look in the booklet and then do this.
So attach knife cover insert.
And you don't know what it is.
Right.
But I'm going to tell you what it is. Some people want less thread, so they put this here and they don't do the blue thread.
Okay. But we're going to use them all. Okay. Activate upper looper. I don't think I need to do anything there. Hook out upper looper converter. And that's that hook.
Hook up upper looper converter. You don't know what it is. Check it out. See, that's
Which
the
you've
one I
already
was showing.
undone.
Okay? Let's say that you didn't know, right? Here you go.
Yeah. Set rolled hem selector level to 0, and it's on 0.
This is in, no,
Oh,
it's
no,
not
it's
in
there.
0.
That one.
Okay?
Adjust MTC micro thread control.
Right here.
Okay, that's on 0.
In 0 too?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now you have all
Thread.
the thread, you have to thread it.
Okay.
So we'll start with the air threading.
And does it matter what order you do it in?
No.
Okay.
But
But
to do this, one thing we missed here is to have this one here close.
okay,
Close the tubes.
all the way.
See?
Okay. Mm-hmm. Gotcha.
So now we're going to you're going to put this back here, and we're going to start with. It doesn't matter what order. We'll start
But
with.
you like to do it blue red, or it doesn't matter?
I like to do blue red.
Okay.
But it doesn't matter at
Okay,
this
but
point.
that's fine.
We're going to do the purple first.
Okay.
So we finish with the purple.
Now on this 4th thread, do we do the purple? Or just for the cover stitch?
Cover stitch.
Okay, we can do cover.
And you can do each chain stitch with a cover stitch. So we'll do this here. You take it,
Mm-hmm.
you put it here.
Gotcha. I heard it click.
Yes, it has to click. So it's in the tubes here. All you have to do is to push the foot pedal and push it, push it, push it.
There we go. It's threaded.
And you can cut it to here. So now I'm going to do the second one. And also,
How are you, Joel?
Great to see you.
I'm looking at the Serger.
Oh, wait. Are you looking at the big boy?
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
go. Yeah.
I have an older one where you have to thread all here. I got so
Yeah.
frustrated. This I said, I'm getting a new Serger.
That is
I want the air
incredible.
thread.
Well, thank you so much.
Of course.
Thank
You know I love my Berninas.
You're the best.
here you go.
Yeah, the funniest thing Nancy said to me today is she was traveling and she got tired of traveling because she missed sewing. So
I
she
know.
told
I
her
told my husband, we
"No."
got to stay home.
That's funny. You know, after a
Traveling too
while,
much.
She
You
says
can,
no to travel.
you can only travel so much
Exactly.
sometimes. Well, thank
Like, I
you
want to
so much.
sew. I want to sew.
Great to see you.
Same here. Thank you.
So I'm doing the red.
Right back.
Uh-huh.
And the red is going to
It's
come
done.
here.
I'm telling you, it took me 3 hours to get the thing threaded right.
Look,
And-
I understand.
And it hurts